995 short on CLOV. I will wait for it to break that the VWAP, so you know, consider 10, 11, 10, 15s to be your stop. But you can always keep it just over 10. In this case, if it does wash and if it does break that 10, then you could get out of it earlier. There it goes. 48s. Under 48s I've taken, guys. I might have chased it a little bit, but the stop now is 48.30s. Under 48, actually just about 40. Yeah, right about there. 48s around that area, guys, with a stop just over the wick high. Alright, guys, trying to take some out. 21s. Okay, I'm okay with that. I took some out, guys, around 20. Let me check the price as well. Around 23s, 24s, somewhere there, guys. CLOV I got out, guys. I just reminded you earlier. CLOV I got out here, but it's rejecting off of VWAP, so there might be another opportunity on this. Actually, that was a bad that was a bad exit. Doesn't matter, that was a bad exit from my side. Sorry, it should have been, for me, it should have been 10-10s and a successful break of a VWAP. No, that's a bad exit from my side. Okay, I took 990, guys. Another shot at it. So 990. I know it's a bit late. The trade was here somewhere, but with a stop over 10-10s. Now that stop has to be over the break of the VWAP. I've added on AMC, guys, and the way it was trying to break out and then coming back in was just a little sign for me to, yeah, this might have another continuation. So we'll wait up now. My average around 47.80s. Still, I'm okay with 48 over 48 stop, because I've already taken some. Whatever I've taken out here, I've added here. I took some 63s, guys. I couldn't wait. 63s. I took some out. But I think this is early partial. I think, but I might be wrong. I got 81s, guys. 81s. I had to be very quick. I was watching that. 81s. $47.04. $47.04. Alright, I've taken some more out on AMC. $47.04s. I'm just being extra careful because the way it's looking like the possibility of reversal on AMC is there. and if it does reverse, it would chance of it taking us out on the break even is quite high. So I want to bank in some because of this ad. So now on the break even on this one, I will still be ahead. I will still be making money if it does go and stop me out. Right, guys, on this congestion, I'm gonna try to take some out. 46, 46s, 48s, 47s, that's fine. Actually, around 47s, I'm okay with that. I think I am being a little bit early on this. If it does break this, there might be another better chance for a partial. But just wanna make sure I bank in some. There it goes. $9.20, even better, $9.26. Let me try to get 9.26 sevens. Okay, 9.27 is fine. 9.27. 9.27's beautiful exit actually. Whew, beautiful. It is okay. Taking some 91s, guys. I wanted 90s, but that's fine. There we go, guys. I've got like 10% left on AMC. Perfect, beautiful trade. Just leave it alone now. And on this one as well, not much left. This trade, barely any loser on this, because I exited so early, just really tiny. Now compared to our losers, so I'm okay with that. I will take that any day. I think our initial stop was this, so I would say more than 2 to 1 3 maybe. And then AMC AMC was just too beautiful. Our risk on this one was really small. With this ad as well, it looks something like that. Let's say average is here, and then my stop would have been here somewhere. So that was the risk. After the re-entry, the RR looks something like that. So quite happy with the trades, guys. Awesome stuff. Right, guys, take it easy, stay safe, and I will see you tomorrow 9:15 EST.